Do you accept my challenge to climb up my climbing wall? Go! Bow chicka bow now. Bow chicka bow now. Bow chicka doo doo. Bicka doo boo boo bicka doo boo. Bam bicka doo boo. Bam bam doo boo. Bam bam doo boo. Bam.
Taking the harder route?
Let's go in the tougher route.
Nowhere to go.
This is the easy route.
Oh,
This is the harder route.
wow.
And Rhett did it. Woo! Brian and Jenny left this week, which meant we were in charge of chickens, and I kind of need to set this next scene up a little bit. Ernie and Alex came over, and Ernie is the pastor at Sojourn Church, and they brought their son Jetson, who's the same age as the twins. And then this happened.
I have to get out of here because I got this bag and they want nothing but this bag.
That would be Buzz Lightyear, Belle, and Venom, chasing free-range chickens around the backyard. Can't make this stuff up.
Does this qualify as free range?
Yes. The staples came out of Rhett's head this week, and unrelated, Allison made a giant rack of ribs. Turns out my son, he's Tyrannosaurus Rhett, is what he is. That boy, we cut up his meat, put it on his plate, he finished all of his rib meat.
How proud are you? I may have just gotten barbecue sauce on your iPhone.
And then Rhett asked if he could have some with the bone in him, and proceeded to eat 2 more ribs off the bone. To celebrate, we went to the Jamba Juice. I have no idea what she said.
Addicted to.
And later in the week, we hung out with the Harmons.
Steal that out of your mouth.
In a reoccurring theme, we go to church with the Harmons, and the Harmons and us have a lot in common. First off, they have 3 kids. Second off, their daughter is absolutely adorable. All of them, but particularly the baby. Clara and Holland had played this game where Holland would chase Clara and try to grab the elephant pacifier out of her mouth. It was super adorbs. Tim is a professional photographer. In fact, the photo on my page is an Easter shot from Tim. We eventually had to sit the 2 down and just say, listen, you know what? This kind of infighting just isn't appropriate. You're fighting at a 18-month level, you know, and you need to pull it back. And this was the peace deal. And in a reoccurring theme,
She puts everything around.
Holland loves men.
Somebody catch you eating chicken off the floor. What? You're bearded. That's from
Sure about you.
You don't look like Jules. Only you're slightly more Nordic.
See, I'm alright.
Jealousy.
What do you think about this?
Betrayal.
And thanks for the local brew, Tim. This public service announcement brought to you by Allison. Dear Publix, we want to love you.
You got her? You holding her?
But you see, some people have 3 children. And as adorable as this isn't very practical. Let me show you a better example. Thank you, Target. That is all. Fair warning, these next set of scenes have a helicopter. Yeah, I know, right?
You're a vlogger?
I'm about 12 weeks in.
Okay,
But it's doing good.
that's good.
It's aimed towards trying to document my kids for my kids.
Yeah.
But it's doing all right.
I'm gonna get a picture of you guys in front of the helicopter.
Picture, just grab the GoPro.
Grab a video, you'll take a screenshot later. Go ahead.
My mama wants to see it.
And so begins the greatest date I have ever taken Allison on. This was our 9th wedding anniversary, and it started off with clearly a helicopter. Later on, you'll see we go to the Omni Hotel and eat dinner at the Prime Meridian restaurant. And now I'll just shut up and get out of the way.